DJI has released the highly anticipated Osmo Action 5 Pro recently, packing enhanced stabilization, improved image quality, and advanced features. With rumors circulating about the upcoming Osmo Pocket 4, many creators are facing one question. In this video, we'll compare the proven capabilities of the Action 5 Pro against what we know about the rumored Pocket 4, helping you decide whether to grab the Action 5 Pro now or wait for the Pocket 4's release. Based on rumors, the DJI Osmo Pocket 4 might follow the Pocket 3's design philosophy, but with refinements. Expectations include a larger 2.5-inch rotatable touchscreen with 480 into 800 pixels and 800 nits brightness. The device is rumored to maintain its signature vertical form factor with an integrated 3-axis gimbal weighing approximately 190 grams, making it slightly larger than its predecessor. The Osmo Action 5 Pro features a compact design measuring 70.5 into 44.2 into 32.8 millimeters and weighing 146 grams. It has dual OLED touchscreens. Both screens deliver 800 candela per square meter typical brightness, with the rear screen reaching 1000 candela per square meter peak brightness. The camera features a durable build with protective frames and replaceable lens covers. The rumored DJI Osmo Pocket 4 specifications indicate significant upgrades, featuring a 1-inch CMOS sensor with 12 megapixels or higher resolution. The lens might offer a 20mm focal length with an f/2.0 or faster aperture. Video capabilities are expected to reach 4K at 240 frames per second in 16:9 format or 3K at 120 frames per second. The device might include enhanced ISO sensitivity ranging from 50 to 6400 for video and 50 to 16,000 for low-light recording. In contrast, the Osmo Action 5 Pro comes with a 1/1.3-inch CMOS sensor and a 155-degree field of view lens with f/2.8 aperture. It supports ISO ranges from 100 to 25/600 for photos and 100 to 51/1200 for videos. The camera captures photos at up to 7:296 into 5:472 resolution with 40 megapixels and offers digital zoom up to 2x for both photos and videos, with a focus range from 0.35 meters to infinity. The DJI Osmo Pocket 4 is expected to feature Active Track 7.0 with advanced phase detection and eye tracking capabilities, improving upon the Pocket 3's tracking system. The device is expected to offer 10-bit color depth with D-Log-M and HDR support for enhanced dynamic range. While maintaining the signature 3-axis mechanical gimbal stabilization, it might introduce new creative shooting modes and improved low-light performance. It could offer enhanced wireless connectivity and expanded mobile device compatibility. On the other hand, the Action 5 Pro features 3-tier electronic image stabilization: Rocksteady 3.0, Rocksteady 3.0 Plus, and Horizon Steady. It offers various shooting modes including Super Night for low-light recording, subject tracking, slow motion with up to 8 times at 1080p, hyperlapse and time-lapse. The camera supports Wi-Fi 6, Zero protocol for faster wireless transfers of up to 80 megabytes per second, and includes features like pre-recording with a customizable duration from 5 seconds to 5 minutes. The anticipated DJI Osmo Pocket 4's performance is said to enhance its predecessor's capabilities with improved processing power and enhanced stabilization. Rumors hint at better low-light performance through advanced sensor technology and improved algorithms. The device might feature faster autofocus response times and more accurate subject tracking. Video performance could see significant improvements with higher bit rates and enhanced color reproduction. Drawing from the Pocket 3's success, it might offer improved heat management for extended recording sessions and better overall system responsiveness. The Action 5 Pro delivers proven performance with its maximum video bitrate of 120 megabits per second and support for HEVC format. It excels in daylight conditions with strong dynamic range and delivers clean colors with excellent detail. The camera performs well underwater, being waterproof to 20 meters without a case and 60 meters with the protective case. The 3-microphone system ensures good audio capture, with specialized compatibility with the DJI Mic 2 for 48 kHz audio recording. The Osmo Pocket 4 is rumored to maintain compatibility with existing Pocket series accessories while introducing new ones. Speculation mentions potential new additions like an enhanced external battery pack, improved wireless microphone system, and ND filter set. The Creator Combo package might include an upgraded version of the current accessories, featuring new mounting options and creative tools that build upon the Pocket 3's ecosystem. Whereas the Action 5 Pro offers a comprehensive range of available accessories, including the waterproof case, protective frames, quick-release adapter mounts, curved adhesive bases, lens protectors, and extension rods. The camera's magnetic quick-release mounting system ensures compatibility with various third-party accessories, including GoPro-style mounts. The DJI Osmo Pocket 4 might feature improved battery technology with faster charging capabilities, providing extended recording times compared to the Pocket 3. The device is expected to support quick charging, possibly achieving full charge in around 25 minutes with a DJI power delivery charger. The battery management system might introduce new power-saving features and optimized performance modes. The Osmo Action 5 Pro uses a 1950 mAh lithium-ion battery with 7.5 watt-hours capacity. It provides up to 240 minutes of recording time under optimal conditions and supports charging temperatures from 5 to 40 degrees Celsius. The DJI Osmo Pocket 4 is rumored for a 2025 release, with expected pricing around $699 for the standard version and $799 for the Creator Combo. This potential price increase over the Pocket 3 reflects the anticipated enhanced features. Moreover, recent reports speculate that we might see it in early 2025 as DJI has already discontinued the Pocket 2 Creator Combo. The Action 5 Pro is currently available at $349 for the standard combo and $449 for the adventure combo, positioning it competitively in the action camera market. While both cameras serve different purposes, the choice between waiting for the Pocket 4 or getting the Action 5 Pro largely depends on your immediate needs. The Action 5 Pro is a proven performer with excellent stabilization, robust waterproofing, and reliable performance for action-packed scenarios. It's available now at a competitive price point and backed by real-world testing. The rumored Pocket 4, with its larger sensor, enhanced tracking capabilities, and versatile gimbal design, promises to be a compelling option for vloggers and content creators who prioritize smooth motion and precise framing. However, with its potential higher price point and release window, it represents a significant weight. Ultimately, the final choice depends on your content style, shooting environment, and whether your creative needs can wait for the Pocket 4's enhanced capabilities. So, do you think waiting for the Osmo Pocket 4 would be worth it? Or you should buy the Action 5 Pro now? Share your thoughts in the comments. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel for regular updates like this.